Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're on the profile now, so act. Click the 3 dots beside message or connect to reveal actions. This is where blocking lives. Once you select report/block, choose block to stop profile access and messages immediately. Make sure to confirm the block when prompted because that final step enforces it across devices. If you're on mobile, use the same menu. On desktop, the option sits near the top right. Why? Blocking removes their ability to view your full profile and send communications. Once done, confirm the block and then remove the connection if they were connected. This ensures they are not in your network list. After that, go to Settings and Privacy to tighten who can find you, reduce invitation sources, and limit profile visibility. Make sure to check messages and invitations filters so future contact attempts are suppressed. If you use browser extensions or mobile apps, sync changes by refreshing or restarting the app, so all settings apply consistently across platforms. Finish by verifying the block. Open an incognito window or ask a colleague to view the profile so you can confirm restricted access. If you need to reverse the action, unblock intentionally. Remember that unblocking does not automatically restore the old connection. You must resend an invite. If the block doesn't take effect, clear app cache, update the LinkedIn app and try again. And if problems persist, contact LinkedIn support. This troubleshooting step fixes most sync or display inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.